can come to the registered office of a company. By paying 1 rupee, he can get a copy of memorandum. He can read there. Now question arises, why? Why this is a public document? What is its purpose? Purpose is what? If any person who wants to deal with the company in some financial or an other interest, he must read the memorandum of the company. He must read this information and then he shall deal. If it is public company, every time it will not advertise that we are public and we are so and so. It's the job of third party to know about the company through memorandum and then deal with the company. All information is given here. 7 clauses are there. Number 1, name clause. What is name clause? Name clause mentions the name of the company with correct spelling. Proper name of the company. Second comes objects clause. It is divided into 2 parts, primary objects and secondary objects. Primary objects are the objects which are common. What is the main common objective of every company? Tell me. Why company is started? Profit maximization. Profit maximization and wealth maximization. These are the 2 common goals of every company. Primary objects. But after earning a lot of money, company may have secondary objects. Okay, if we are earning 100 crores as a profit, we are ready to expend 2 crores on social objects for the society, for the country. We are ready to repay. We are ready to expend. That is secondary object. So these objects must have been written properly in the memorandum of the company. Why I am saying written? One important thing, listen. Company can never go beyond the memorandum. Whatever is written here, that is the boundary for directors, for their decision making. They are abide by the information clauses written in the memorandum of association. Capital clause. A for authorized capital, issued capital, subscribed capital, called up capital, paid up capital, uncalled capital, and reserve capital. These are the types of capital. Authorized capital is the capital which is the maximum extent of capital which can be raised by a company in its lifetime. That is called as authorized capital. Issued capital is that part of authorized capital which has been currently issued. Subscribed is what? For which response is given. Called up is what? Called by the company. Application money, allotment money, first call, second call, third call. The figure of capital remains changing time to time. Paid up capital is the actual amount paid by the shareholders in the company bank account. Uncalled capital is what? It is that portion of issued capital which has not yet been called by the company. And reserve capital is the capital which has been kept for the purpose of emergencies and contingencies. Then only that capital will be called by the company. So everything will be written. If it is new company, at least authorized capital. What is the authorized capital of this company? Now while selecting name of the company, many companies' names you would have heard. Corporation, ending with the word corporation, ending with the word Hindustan, India, Bharat, such kind of enterprise, such kind of names are enacted with the names of the companies. If one has to use these words, there is a condition of authorized capital. Who can use the word corporation? ABC Corporation. That company whose authorized capital is more than 5 crores. Then we can say ABC Corporation. Exactly, up to 1 crore. Now limits are given, table you can see. Hindustan, Bharat, these names in the name of the company, ABC Bharat Limited, ABC Hindustan Limited, like. So it depends upon authorized capital of the company, which word shall be used by the company in its name. Then liability clause. Okay, what is liability clause? If it is company, the liability of a company is limited to the extent of shares held by the shareholder. अगर मेरे पास 100 शेयर्स है और मेरे कैपिटल का वैल्यू 10,000 है, I have already paid 8,000 to the company, so my liability is remaining 2,000. Company's capital may be 100 crores, but I am liable only for 2,000. It means liability of a company, public company, is limited to the extent of shares held by a shareholder. Is that clear? Then domicile clause. What is the meaning of the word domicile? Address. All of you have taken domicile certificates from the government. The meaning of domicile is what? Address. Every company has to mention its registered office, corporate office address, with landmarks, proper address with PIN codes, everything should be mentioned in the Memorandum of Association for the legal purposes. Then association clause. What is association? I have written a line, we several persons whom are the subscribers to the share capital of ABC Limited Company affirms, confirms and denotes hereby that we are one, we are together. This oneness is mentioned. This is association of members. Now if you will see the companies like Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Motors, Welspun, the largest public companies have their shareholders throughout the country. One is from Mizoram, one is from Rajasthan, one is from Maharashtra, one is from Tamil Nadu. Is that clear? They don't know each other, but they are abide. There are different relationships in case of companies. Relation between company and members. Relation between members and members. It is called as members inter se. So there is one type of relationship. All of you sat in this classroom. 100 people are there. Not necessarily everybody knows everybody's name, but you are associated, you are classmates. So one sense of belongingness is always there. Exactly, even if you do not meet. So same way, in case of company, the scattered shareholders are declaring their association through memorandum. This is the meaning of association clause. And lastly, nomination clause. Nomination clause has been introduced by amendment of Companies Act. The Companies Amendment Act 2013 has introduced one person company. Only one person can register a company, OPC. For private company it requires 2 members minimum. For public company 7 minimum. But if it is one person company, one person can be a shareholder, he can run the company. In such company, there must be a nomination. What is nomination? In case of death of that shareholder, who will take over the charge? He is called as nominee. You would have opened bank accounts. In every bank's application form for bank opening account, it is there, nominee's name, compulsory. So in case of death of that account holder, who will get that money? Whatever nominee's name is written, he will get. Same way here, nomination clause mentions the name of the nominee. Shall I hope it is understood? अभी क्या हो गया था, मुझे मैंने बोला फैन बंद करो, ओके, तो वो समझा नहीं, उससे एक जोक याद आया मुझे. एक डॉक्टर था, अपने ओपीडी में बैठा है और एक पेशेंट आया, बोला बहुत दर्द होता है सर में, सुबह उठते उठते बहुत दर्द होता है मुझे. तो डॉक्टर ने बोला शराब पीते हो? बोला थोड़ी चलेगी 90. डॉक्टर को आंसर क्या उसने, थोड़ी चलेगी 90. Means he thought that doctor is offering me now. Is that clear? तो ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. क्या question है that we should understand properly. Any more doubts? Any questions? That's all.